Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have some cases for your iPhone 12 Pro Max. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have some cases for your iPhone 12 Pro Max. I want to give a shout out to Ringke for sending these to me for review. Yes, don't blink your eye. That is the iPhone 12 Pro Max in gold. My daughters decided to pick this up. What y'all think about that gold color? I don't know. The stainless steel sides attract more fingerprints than anything, but I don't know. I know people love this gold color. To me, it's just blah. But we're not here about the iPhone 12 Pro Max. We're here for the cases. So like I normally do in my case reviews, we'll make sure everything fits well. How does everything line up? Can you wireless charge with it? And how does the buttons feel overall? Ringke was nice enough to send me out their Onyx cases and also their Fusion case, which we'll review today. So they sent me out the navy one. They sent me out the dark green. They sent me out this gray color, which my daughter has been using. Then they sent me out some cool ones. This is the graffiti one. They sent me out the X one. Look at the X, that's actually pretty cool. And then the regular Fusion clear case, which we will try out. This one will show off the beauty of your phone. But let's start off with the Onyx. I'm gonna use the one that she's been using. I love the design though. The feel. You have that like grippy feel in the back. And then look, the size too. I like how the buttons are like this metal coated looking buttons there. Look on the inside. Ringke Onyx, some branding there too. And then the power button also has that chrome look. Let's see how it fits. Shout out to my dog. Shout out to Scooby-Doo. But what y'all think? You do get some lip action. Also the camera protection in the back. You definitely get camera protection. Little branding there too. All right, so let's try the power button next. Nice and tactile. The vine rockers. You can hear it. Notification size, easy to get to. I'm gonna turn that off because she probably will get all kind of notifications. So the power button's easy. The vine rockers feel great. The overall feel of the case, it doesn't add much bulk to your phone, but it will protect your beautiful iPhone 12 Pro Max. This one does not show off the colors, but look, everything lines up good there. And on the sides too. Man, this is a nice case. What y'all think? Do you like the gray? I'm gonna try it on the different ones, so that way we can see just how they look together. All right, next I want to test out the fit. Let's see how everything lines up and fits. Yeah, the top and bottom fit snug. The sides are a little loose, but I wouldn't worry too much because again, you're gonna have to really pull your phone apart or pull the phone and get the case out of there. So it fits really good too. And it's just extra grippy though. So you don't have to worry about slipping and the phone slipping out of your hands. Can you wireless charge? The good old wireless charger there. As you can tell, you can wireless charge. Let me try on the other ones really fast, so that way we can just get a look on how they look with the gold color. All right, so I have the navy one next. Let's just see. They're all gonna fit the same, but I just wanna see how they look with the gold color. That is the navy one. I like the navy and gold. Like Notre Dame or something. That one's nice. Let's try the green. Here's the green one. Again, nice fit. If you like green, look at that. A green and black one would look good. Or green and blue. That's a nice case too. Check out how cool this one is. Look at that, graffiti. Now this black and gold, I love that case. What y'all think about that one? This one's cool. The black and gold looks really good too. Again, the grip on these cases are amazing. Now the last one is actually pretty cool too. And here is the X. Look at that. Look what it says on here. That's actually pretty cool. What y'all think? I actually like this one. Man, I would rock this case if this was my phone. Alright, so that was the Onyx case. Let me get the Fusion one ready, and we can definitely review that one next. Alright, so I just want to show off the packaging too from Ringke. Nice and simple packaging. They always come nice and simple. Follow them on their social media websites. You get this little card here, 20% off in each package. And they make it easy to open. So it's pretty good. So let's get this one on. Alright, so in this case, it has that nice hard plastic on the back. And this one will show off the beauty of your phone. And it fits really snug. Do you get lip action? Yes, you do. I think the Ringke Fusion and the Ringke Fusion X are some of my favorite cases. Do you get protection on the back too? Yes. You get that camera protection. The cutouts look great. A little Ringke Fusion brand in there. The volume rocker is easy to get to, and the notification slide. Check out the power button. Yeah, that's easy. Volume rockers, hold on, let's see. Volume rockers are easy to press. This is a great fitting case too. Again, it doesn't add much bulk, but it gives you the protection that you need if you drop your phone. If and when. Hopefully you don't drop it, but if you do, you have a Ringke case on there, it will protect your phone. Overall fit, it's a little loose on the bottom, but not, not too concerning. The sides fit better on this one than the Onyx. Overall, I would say it's a pretty good fitting case. Shout out to Scooby the dog. Can your wireless charge? I don't think you will have a problem. Alright, so wireless charging. As you can tell there, you can wireless charge with the Fusion case on there. Which one was your favorite case? Or do you like the graffiti case? These two are probably one of my favorites. Or do you like the regular color ones? Which one is your favorite? Let's have a discussion in the comments. Do you plan on picking any of these up? You can actually pick these up for Amazon for a reasonable price. So look in the description. The link will be there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.